Hello again, and my name is Nick Inove from ELMO Europe. And here is the classroom solution. And please take a look at those three those two tablets. They are supposed to be used by students, and this large screen is supposed to be used by teachers. So the teachers and the student they can exchange the image very much effectively and simultaneously. So now that the teacher compare the two screens from the two tablets, and if we place those two. Um, yeah. And we can easily, compare, the students, the tablet contents on the large screen. This is a classroom solution. And on the other hand, we have, the 4K native the document camera lineup. And here is the PX30E, and showing, the very high quality, the 4K native, the document camera quality here. And this, also, they help you to make, the more vivid and, the impactful, the presentation to audience. The last one is a Miracast, and this is another, the new document camera from ELMO. And there is no connection between this large screen to this document camera. This works under, the Miracast technology. So, our new camera, that has enabled to, run, the Miracast, so that you can, use this document camera wirelessly to the large display system. So, please visit us, our website to find out, the more information. Thank you very much.